Standard 6 would like to say Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh to our honorable director, my beloved teachers, my supporting seniors and my lovely classmates. I also wish to tell you a few facts about this special occasion. Here we are to celebrate the 72nd Republic Day of our nation. India celebrates the Republic Day every year on 26th of January from 1950 because at this day, India was declared as the Republic country as well as the Constitution of India came into force after the independence became a democratic republic. Republic Day in India has great importance in history as it tells us all about each and every struggle of Indian freedom fighters. Republic means the supreme power of people living in the country and only public has rights to elect their representatives as a political leader to lead the country in right direction. So India is a republic country after the 26th of January 1950 where the public elects its leaders as a president, prime minister, etc. Thus we all commemorate the values of Indian people and the spirit which makes us feel proud of being Indian. Moreover, we all appreciate the effort of Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar on this Places Day as he played a vital role in making this constitution being the head of drafting committee. But this is not our sole duty to decorate the buildings and hosting our national flag at various places. However, there are a lot of more responsibilities which we all need to understand. We have to make a lot of effort to make our country glorious one by making it a corruption-free nation in true sense. A country where no one discriminates on the basis of religion, gender, color, creed or caste, etc. Where everyone gets equal opportunity to